Eh? Please now, just tell me where exactly you are. Eh, hello. Hey, oh God. I've been walking now. You said I should take that track road. I passed it now. Eh? Please now, just tell me where exactly you are.
I said you should come at back of Edo Villa now.
Eh? I'll see. Okay, a white zinc, Abi. Okay, I'm coming. Hello?
Yeah, I don't know.
Where are you now? I've been walking now. Which side do you say I should come again?
Yes, that's where I am. Back of Edo Villa. Just yes.
Okay, I'm coming. What kind of set is this one? Hello? Hello? What kind of thing is this now? I'm at my Ejima shop now. Hey, you're just stressing me. I've been walking since now. Where are you? I can't see you. Where are you?
I'm right behind you.
Jesus.
Ebuka, really? Surprise, right? Unknown number called you. You have been walking around the town like a madman. Look how you are sweating like Christmas goat. Nobody don't even know. She just called you. I'm so ashamed of you right now. I just called you with my new line. I'm not happy with you. I'm so ashamed of you right now. Like, I'm so ashamed of you.